The project name's FST Smart. It's based in Salford in Greater Manchester. The project's a social enterprise and we were set up to help people who have various barriers to work, drug and alcohol problems, mental health problems and other barriers. We operate like any other business does, but we have social aims. What we do is we service, repair and MOT customers' vehicles, and through doing that we give people access to real work experience, qualifications and other support that will help them find and retain work when they leave us.
I think confidence is something you build up. About a year ago I couldn't even walk in a shop on my own. I couldn't do anything on my own. Everything that I do here prepares me for something in later life. Because when you have a stroke you lose everything out of your mind. But I can remember something new every day this way. And this place has helped me put it all back that. It gets me used to getting up here early in the morning as well. I get that Friday feeling now, which I've not had for years.
Once that ping comes up,
the technicians that we work with on the shop floor have got so much knowledge that they can pass on to you. I mean, helping with confidence and that kind of thing. Now I work in the front office and I'm dealing with customers on a face-to-face basis, and I couldn't have done that a couple of years ago.
Smart Garage Service, I'm speaking, how can I help you?
Before I came here, I wouldn't go out of my house, and it got me. I was started off here just coming, half a day a week, and I now do 5.5 days a week. They can't keep me away.
I'm here now just getting me experience under my belt before when I go to an actual job placement. It's given me a confidence boost, it's given me new skills. I've got my GNVQ in motor mechanics. Without this project I'd still be at home thinking that I've been out of work too long to get back into the working environment.
Are the disc and pads ordered for this? Yeah.
If you're feeling like you've got no way forward, this is definitely a way forward. Because no one gets judged here, everybody's the same, you all muck in and get it done. It's actually done for me what I should have done for myself a long time ago.
The funding from the Big Lottery Fund has really helped us get established. It's enabled us to buy some equipment that's state-of-the-art. People learn on brand new equipment, they learn on equipment that they would use in every other garage. It really has helped us further our goal of moving a large number of people from a life of unemployment into work. An example of where we've spent the money that we've had from the Big Lotteries Fund is in our MOT test equipment. About 40% of vehicles that come through fail their MOT. That helps us generate a significant amount of additional income. So the Big Lotteries grant that they gave us didn't just buy us equipment, it also gave us the ability to generate our own income, which will help with our sustainability in the future.